The concentration of a solution is the ratio of how many moles of solute there are to the volume of the solution itself, where the volume of the solution is usually measured in decimeters cubed. We can use this information to calculate what volume of solution we have if we know its concentration and the number of moles or the mass of the solute, or what mass or number of moles of solute are inside a solution if we know the volume and the concentration. Let's do that. First question, calculate the volume of a 0.4 mole per decimeter cubed salt solution that contains 0.1 moles of salt. We write our question in equation form. How many decimeters cubed are there if you have 0.1 moles of in maths is a multiplication sign, of solution 0.4 mole per decimeter cubed. Now, we have to write the solution inverted from the way it's given. Why? Because we need moles at the bottom to cancel away moles and decimeter cubed at the top to provide the answer. So it's 0.4 moles for every 1 decimeter cubed. So this unit factor refers to the solution itself. So in the solution, for every 1 decimeter cubed, you have 0.4 moles. And we're then trying to find out, well then, if you only have 0.1 mole, not the whole 0.4 moles, well what is then its volume? And the answer is 0.1 divided by 0.4, which is a quarter, in other words 0.25 decimeters cubed. Next question. Calculate the number of moles of solute in 500 centimeters cubed of a solution of concentration 2 mole per decimeter cubed. So how many moles in 500 centimeters cubed of a solution of 2 moles per decimeter cubed concentration? Now here we have a little bit of a problem because you can't cancel centimeter cubed by decimeter cubed because they're not the same thing. So you can solve this problem by either just knowing that 500 centimeter cubed is 0.5 decimeter cubed, or else you can do it the long way and introduce a unit factor where we have decimeter cubed at the top to cancel that decimeter cubed, centimeter cubed at the bottom to cancel that centimeter cubed. And we know that 1 decimeter cubed is 1,000 centimeters cubed. We do that whole calculation and our answer is 1 mole. What's the number of moles of solute in 2 liters of a solution of concentration 0.5 mole per decimeter cubed? We write this in equation form. How many moles in 2 decimeter cubed, in other words 2 liters, 2 liters, 2 decimeter cubed, same thing, of a 0.5 mole per decimeter cubed solution? Very easy, the decimeters cubes cancel, our unit ends up mole, 2 times 0.5 is 1 mole.